Did you know that most HVAC companies don't have a marketing problem, they have a strategy problem? HVAC companies that we've analyzed are spending tens of thousands of dollars every single month on Google ads, SEO, social media, radio advertisements, newspaper ads, direct mail, you name it. But all of these marketing channels are operating independently and not cohesively. The result, a lot of disjointed, disconnected marketing activities and not enough predictable revenue. Over the past year, I've been working with HVAC leadership teams to answer one question. How do fast-growing HVAC companies consistently outperform their competitors? The answer surprised me. It's not better ads, it's not better websites, it's building an integrated growth system. One that helps create demand, capture homeowner intent, convert more opportunities, and retain and multiply customer lifetime value. That's exactly what I'll be teaching during our next live strategy workshop. So, if you're an HVAC company owner, operator, or general manager looking for a more strategic and effective way to grow your company's revenue during this upcoming fall season, then I invite you to join us for the live workshop in a few weeks held on Zoom. Attendance is limited to only 20 HVAC company leaders, so I encourage you to reserve your seat today. I hope to see you soon.